exalted, the King is exalted, and I will praise Him. He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I will praise Him. Say, He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I will praise Him. He is exalted, the King is exalted, and I will praise Him.
He's the night school teacher. Nicodemus came to him by night and said, "Teacher, I know that you must come from God, because only God can be with you in order for you to do the things that you could do." I would like to look at Nicodemus and say, "Listen here, Nicodemus, he's not just with God, but he's God coming to teach." And he looked at Nicodemus in the eye and said, "Listen here, Nicodemus, I know you got a problem with what I'm doing, but listen here, verily, verily, I say unto you, you must be born again." So many people are trying to fix the world with education and legislation, but the only thing that's going to transform this world is regeneration. My brothers and my sisters, you must be born again. Chapter number 4. He's the divine water man. He was one day down at the well, and a woman was there, and Jesus said, "Listen here, give me some water." The woman looked at him and said, "How in the world can you ask a woman like me for water? Do you not know that I'm a Samaritan?" Jesus looked at him and said, "Listen here, baby, this water, if you drink it, you will thirst again. But I've got something that when you take a sip of this, you won't want no more Jack Daniel. You won't want no more perk. You won't want no more Kush. I got something that'll hold you." Had her going into the streets saying, "Come see a man." Chapter number 5, he went down, by the pool. There were folks that had been sick. There were folks that were blind, lame, halt, and withered. There were impotent folk, but there was a man there waiting on a man. Jesus asked him the question, "Wilt thou be made whole?" He said, "Listen here, I have no problem with being whole, but the problem is I don't have a man to help me get in." And that's many of our conundrums tonight. We are looking for a man when the man